Alright, so hey guys, I have nothing to vlog, but still I'm vlogging today. So the thing is, I really don't want to upload cooking video on my channel, but I can't help. I'm so creative. In today's video, what I'm gonna do is, I'm craving so much for pasta, so I'm going to make red sauce pasta. This pasta using tomato soup, Szechuan chutney, and tomato ketchup, chili sauce actually. So stay tuned to watch me making red sauce pasta with tomato soup, and you'll love it. Alright, so here I've got some yummy pasta which is still uncooked, and I'm so excited to make this pasta because this is the first time I'm going to try this. Okay, so now the pasta is perfectly cooked and it looks really nice and warm. Alright, so here I've got some sauces, chili sauce and tomato sauce. I don't have that big bottle of ketchup, so I'm using this only. And here it's tomato soup which I'm gonna use. And right now I'm shooting at night time, that's why I'm having lighting problem, and that's the reason why I have to turn on my mobile flash. So don't look at the shit at the sides. I don't know what it is. This is the real Indian kitchen. This is what actually most of the kitchen in India looks like. And have a tour of my kitchen. So that's my oven. It is usually treated as a trash box, but when it works actually, but when I have to bake something, all the trash comes out. It's an oven, and then again it becomes trash box. These are all empty bottles. So okay, that's Mr. Salt. Hey Mr. Salt. That's the gas stove and all this.
That's good.
Okay, so what happened actually was the vegetables started burning just like your ego. So here I added soups and all the sauces, and before that I added water, and again I added some more water. So now let's just wait. Oh, my favorite ingredient. Without this my pasta is incomplete. I just forgot to mention this one. So let's just wait for the sauce to get thicker and thicker and thicker. I added chili sauce just now. Okay, so here I'm just trying to make the sauce thicker. And to be honest, I really don't know how to make red sauce and white sauce pasta. I was just trying. So here's my dog. While I was cooking, he was continuously staring at me, thinking that I'll give him some pasta. You know why I made red sauce pasta? Because I was studying and I wanted to eat something good, and I had a craving for this pasta. So I decided, I always make normal pasta like Indian people do. So I decided, let's make red sauce pasta because I suck at making red sauce and white sauce pasta. So I had this thought before to make red sauce pasta with using tomato soup, and it tastes delicious. I love it. I just love it.